boy Ceejaybrand here, and today we are actually going to be doing the very first on my channel, of course, on my channel, iPhone 13 Pro Max review. So this is going to be the total raw microphone and also the camera view. I don't plan on editing the video quality or anything, or the sound quality, unless, I need to, but I'm not going to edit anything, just so we can all, get a feel for it. What I'm about to do right now is I'm going to drive to the store, go pick up some things, and we're just going to, pretty much be testing out. So I've been on my phone for like 3.5 hours now. I'm actually only on like 88%. Actually, I'm sorry, 90 something percent. So I mean, for 3 hours, going down like 10%. That's without charge. My phone stopped charging up around like, I think 6 o'clock this morning. So I mean, pretty much 6 a.m. to 6 to 9. I mean, it's been pretty chill. Right now it is going to be 4:15 in the afternoon, so I haven't really been on the screen as much. But as I go on, I'm going to try to be on the screen a lot much more. That way we can get, go ahead and get that feel. So as of right now, you guys are going to be seeing the front face camera. Of course, they haven't done much updates to it. It is kind of sort of, the same as the 12 Pro Max. So our main thing is we're going to try to use that back camera a lot more. Hopefully we'll be able to do it without, having a lot of issues, but we'll see, man. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. Like I said, I'm gonna run to the store. Once I get to the store, I'll go ahead and put the video right back up, okay? All right, we'll be right back. Yeah, so we back from store number one. Just like a 15-20 minute drive, man. I was using my GPS on it. We went down from 98% just down to 93%. It isn't bad because, like I said, I am using the camera, music, and also the maps for it. And I'm also not charging the phone either. So let's go ahead and proceed on with our day. And I think we're gonna go to the car wash, man. We're gonna go ahead and do a car wash video and just, I guess, just talk more about the iPhone 13, man, and some more upcoming videos that we're gonna be releasing for the iPhone 13. So we'll be right back once again once we do go to the car wash. Peace. All right, y'all. So we are actually at the car wash right now, just pulling in right here. Just paid $25 for the ultimate wash. So we at Club Car Wash. So I hope they I hope that it ain't bad, man, because I test out so many car washes for my vehicle, and I'm like, let me figure out first if it's going to be raining outside the next day, because I hate that. You go get a car wash, and then all of a sudden, you got rain coming down, it's hailing outside, people cutting grass. That's my biggest pet peeve, is when we get our grass cut, and then the freaking man doesn't even blow my car off. I'm just like, bro, I just got my car washed, and you cutting the grass, and I got grass all over my car. Like, how does that work out, man? But as of right now, we still are on 93%. The car wash was only like 4 minutes away from where we was at. So, I mean, it ain't nothing major. But yeah, man, hopefully this car wash isn't gonna be ugly. We probably, I ain't gonna, I was gonna say we could switch around and show you guys front view, but I can't do that because I got people in front of me, the license plate and everything. But we about to go inside the tunnel, get that car wash, man. Make sure I ain't hit nobody, All right, man, so we're gonna have to cut the video, I think so. But once we get done cutting it, yes, no distractions, no eating, just relax. All right, man, let's go ahead and see. They're telling us to pull in, so we pulling in now. Okay. I should have showed y'all how dirty my car looked before, but oh well. So we got the car in neutral. We going in. You can see it working back there. They just doing their jobs, bro. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. Like I said, this is still the front camera on the. Yo, this is so weird. Oh, my window's up. Okay. Anyway, this is still the front. Uh-oh, somebody was screaming. Anyway, man, this is the front camera on the iPhone 13. Y'all probably won't be able to hear me, man, but we in there. Oh God. Yo. Yo, this is so weird. You're going to clean the windows off for me, partner. I hope they got their brakes on up here. Oh man. I hope my car is clean. I had some dirty tires. Oh my. It's like somebody trying to break in my car. You can't see nothing at all, man. I know I said I was going to talk about the iPhone 13 and some more stuff, but I can't. It's so loud. I just can't talk about it, man. It's so loud, bro. But we almost out of here. We're almost done, man. Jeez. Oh man, we're gonna go ahead and pause the video. Wait till we get outside to show you guys the car, man. So yeah, I definitely want to show you guys just a quick view. Excuse my car, I just got back in, beeping and crap. We'll wait. Anyway, this right here is actually going to be the cinematic mode. You know, I just want to show you guys, basically this is like portrait mode to video, and it looks so freaking good, man. Like, just doing a very great job of getting, you know, the main attraction and everything. Like, you can of course add my hand to it, and then it'll blur out everything else, move it back, and boom, right back to it. I mean, this feature is so freaking good, and it looks freaking good too. Like, this is why I bought the 13. You know, I'm so happy that I can actually see that it's actually working and not, you know, just bullcrap. But I mean, it looks so flipping good to me. Now, let's bring it up here. Let's see if we can go ahead and we can actually focus it on the street. I think, yeah, there we go. Look at that. We can focus on the street instead. I don't know why it's going to that person's house over there, but yeah, I got to see it in person, man. But yeah, man, cinematic mode. Yes, we got that Hyundai. Yeah, the Hyundai Sonata. Man, but let me get off this phone, man, before I get in trouble. I do want to show you guys the car. You know, we're going to use some more cinematic mode features in the car. I mean, outside of the car, to show you guys, you know, the car wash. All right, man. So, like I said, I want to show you guys this car wash right quick. I got the 2017 Hyundai Sonata. You can tell. I probably ain't going to be able to show y'all everything, man, because this car, it's crazy, man. But we doing the cinematic mode. Oh, God, I almost fell on my white shoes. Yeah, man, but make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel right there, Ceejaybrand. You already know the drill. You already know the drill. Y'all probably can't hear me either, man, but yeah, I don't like the car wash. I don't like it, man. All right, man. Yo, what's going on, YouTube? We back. Let me turn the light on right quick. We back, man. It is currently 7:45 p.m. I actually still got around like 75%. I'm sorry, not 75, like 73% on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is still the raw camera footage, raw view of everything, you know, the camera, whatever. We sitting at Steak and Shake right now, man. We just waiting to get us some food, man. But so far so good, man. I've been using the camera quality, just been testing everything out, comparing it a little bit to the 12. But we do have another video that will be coming out shortly, pretty much after this one. This will show you guys the differences between the iPhone 13 Pro Max and also the iPhone 12 Pro Max, camera quality wise, sound quality. If there, you know, even if there really is some visuals that we can actually see that's different between those. And I definitely do apologize if I already said this earlier in the video. As I'm going on, I keep forgetting about what I've already talked about. So I'm pretty sure when I edit everything, so I'm like, what are you talking about? But this is a real day life / a vlog with the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max by Apple, of course. Something else I want to point out as well. We moving up, but something else I want to point out that I've noticed on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, they actually have cinematic mode in the front camera. I didn't know that. When I seen it, I was like, are you freaking serious? I'm like, we actually got cinematic mode in the front version as well. So that was something that I was actually quite, you know, happy to see about. So doing vlogs, doing interviews, doing like podcasting or unboxing videos, I think that this is going to be a big game changer. If you don't have money to, you know, go buy your DSLR camera, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, I believe that this right here is going to be a great step for you, just because of the, you know, the reality it has. Now, of course, you may need to go buy you a, you know, external mic, but they don't cost that much. You know, you can go buy you the Rode Go. I think that's like $100 or something like that, or you can buy you like a cheap lavalier microphone, man. But that's it. We're gonna order our food. We'll be right back again, man. All right, man, so we back in. Just ordered our food right quick. I had to put the phone down because I can't really, you know, turn the wheel. Anyway, man, yeah, so that's pretty much all we got right there. Just, you know, going over the camera quality. Like I said, I can't really tell a big difference between, you know, the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the visual of the front camera, but it all just depends. Now, the back camera, there's a hell of a difference. There's a hell of a difference, man. So we're going to have that, you know, we're going to have to stay tuned for that one for sure, man, because, whoo, I can't wait, bro. I can't wait to actually release that video and, you know, do all that, man. So let's go ahead and see it, man. But yeah, we're gonna go to wrap this up. We're gonna go to head back home. Just try to use the phone some more. Just try to, you know, do more daily tasks that we normally do, because the phone isn't dying fast enough for me right now. I mean, from 6 o'clock in the morning, it has been on charge. I've been using it very slightly. I'll just have to go check and see what is my actual screen time as well for the phone, just to show you guys what's going on. Like they said, it is an increase of 2.5 hours from the iPhone 12 Pro Max into this one right here. So hopefully we'll be able to, you know, compare and contrast both of them, because right now my iPhone 12, I got it on the charger, but it's been actually on like 72% and a little bit less, man. But we're gonna go ahead and go back home, like I said, finish some more tasks up, and we're gonna wrap our video up around like midnight, and you know, just go ahead and see what's going on, man. So we'll be back. All right, YouTube, so we finally finished up that day. Sadly, we didn't, you know, I wasn't on my phone a lot today, unfortunately, but I'm actually on like sitting on like 43% with only like 6 hours and I think it's like 23 minutes. I can't go back and look because I'm on the phone itself recording, but at 43%, we only did 6 hours of screen time. I've seen videos of people actually doing like maybe 7 to 8 hours, you know, with like 40-something% left. I'm very confident that the iPhone 13 Pro Max can actually receive 10 hours before actually going to a full, you know, zero battery, man. That's just my personal opinion. I think that it can happen. I'm not for sure, man, but I would love to, you know, fully go through it and spend some more time with the phone, I should say. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video, because we pretty much covered all our bases. We spoke about, you know, what the phone can do, you know, battery life wise, camera quality wise, cinematic modes, photography styles as well. That is something I definitely got to go back in and make like a little side clip about, because I don't think I spoke about it. Like I said, it's been a long day for me. School, work, oh my god, I've been doing homework almost all day today. Hopefully I got to pass class, man. I'm studying cybersecurity, man, and it's a hell of a major, man. But everything that y'all gonna see today so far has been strictly from the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If not, I will go ahead and on these clips and put, you know, at the very top somewhere that these are iPhone 13 clips with the iPhone 13 audio. Nothing has been edited. I don't have an external microphone in. I don't have a, you know, visual mod or whatever you want to call it, man, in here at all. As of right now, I am currently using the 13 Pro Max cinematic mode, also for like the camera, so you can probably tell, you know, the background, of course. I can always go ahead and click over here, and now I'm out of focus, and boom, right back to it, man. So cinematic mode is definitely good, man. But like I said, definitely want you guys to stay tuned, because we will be doing some more videos very soon. I do want to go ahead and show you guys the 13 Pro Max versus the 12, go over some more features for it, and also show you guys examples between video quality and also picture quality, just so we can see, you know, is it really a big difference, and should I actually upgrade the phones together? So without further ado, man, we're gonna go ahead and end everything. Until next time, the brand is out. Peace.